today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're going to be looking at our 35 chicken rotisserie machine. Okay, the capacity 35 for this unit. You have 7 levels for this unit. Each level fits a total of 5 chickens. Okay, so each level has a total of 5 chickens. And if you see on the front, we have our controls as well for the heating, the cooking. You have a set one switch for each level, as well as your rotating switch. Okay, so this unit runs on an automatic rotation function for each level. Okay, you also have your light and your fan switches on the front of this unit. Okay, this brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. It is all stainless steel unit, very good quality. You have glass display doors as well on the front. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you. For the length, you're looking at 46.5 inches. For the depth, you're looking at 19 inches. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at total of 56.5 inches high. Now, you can use this as a countertop, or you can add wheels to this unit. Okay, the wheels are going to be provided. You will be provided with casters for this rotisserie machine. Okay, so you can see them right here. You will be provided with wheels as well for this unit. Okay, now following you back to the front, I do want to go ahead and open up this unit, show you the inside. I'm going to measure the inside workspace. Inside workspace, you're looking at 36 inches, okay, for the inside workspace. Also, this unit is going to work for natural gas or propane. It is already set up for natural gas, but if you want to go ahead and use propane, we will provide a conversion kit for propane. Also, we'll be provided with a user manual, so if you have any questions, all the information is on the user manual. Gas regulator also provided for this unit. Now, if you follow me over to the side, you can locate your certification on the side for this unit. It is going to be certified by the health department, and that certification is on the side as well as your fans. Lastly, if you follow me over to the back, we can locate our gas entry for this unit and our electric plug, which is used for the rotation function. Okay, electric plug is going to be a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt for that plug. Okay, so this is going to be a 35 chicken rotisserie machine. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. We'll have other units available, so go on the website, check them out. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit or maybe another one, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.